Yes. Good morning, all the students. Good afternoon, sorry. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We completed up to fifth answer, mainly by examining whether a body sink or float, but Vakula made it sink. How it is possible? Okay, guess and write it. Like that only we are considered. And now we are going with the sixth answer. Okay, and objectives, material and things. Material and things. In this one only we are already concluded our question answers. Yes, in this one 6 points, 6 to 1. Here, drop an egg in a beaker of water. Now drop the same egg in another beaker of water in which excess salt it added. Write your observations. Okay, now you take one egg, and as well as there is a what that egg, the same egg you are take it is for what actually another beaker you take as a salt water. When you take a egg, it is in a without water, may it is a floated. Okay, clear or not? Otherwise, when you take the same egg, it is in a salty water, may it is in a dip. Okay, inside of that water. Means what? It is a sink. Why it is like that? We are discussed when we add a amount of salt to the any water here, automatically the water density is increases. Water density is increases. When the water density is increases, our egg density becomes somewhat lower than the water density. Automatically it is a floated. When we are take that is it is in the what? Salty water. Okay, that is only we answer we have to go for it. And now come to here seventh one. Do the following activity. Write down your observation. Yes, what do you conclude? What do you conclude? Mix chalk powder in water. Yes, and next seventh answer. Seventh answer. Seventh answer. Here, do the following activities. Write down your observation. What do you conclude? Mix chalk powder in water. Place a piece of a candle in water. Add some oil. Drop to a beaker of water. Yes, do the conclude. Mix chalk powder in water. Place a piece of candle in water. Add some oil drops to beaker of water. What is going on here? When you take all things, suppose you take a beaker of water. Yes, just a minute. Yeah, you take for seventh answer purpose. I am taking here it is the water. Okay, somewhat amount of the chalk powder here. Somewhat amount of the chalk powder I am taking here. Yeah, this is a containing somewhat chalk powder on it. I am taking here chalk powder. Yeah, it is a mixed with it or not? It is a mixed or not? Yeah, when you mix it is a mixed now. It is a mixed with the water actually. Chalk powder is a mixed with the water. It is not appear it is. When you take a candle, it is a mixed with the water. It is not mixed with the water. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose this is what actually oil. Okay, I am taking oil drops inside of water. It is a mixed. Once take it out, it is a mixed with the water. No, on the top of water, it will be appear for us. Once take it out. Okay, yes, the ball. It is a containing here the water. Here there is a what will be there. The oil drops are not mixed. When you take, once take it out. I am taking. There is a what? It is not a mixed. It will be on the surface of water only. It will be. What you conclude from this one? There is a when you take three things. When you take a chalk powder, okay, like this chalk piece powder, I am taking. There is automatically there is a whatever the chalk piece powder is there. That is a mixed with the water. And as well as you take a piece of candle, it is not a mixed with the water actually. When you take a oil, okay, the oil is appeared for us on the top here. Once shake it out. Okay, as thermocol bars are floated. Okay, in this way only you have to carry, you have to observe the seventh answer. Okay, I hope you are understood up to the seventh answer. Here there is a what? Do the following activities. Write down your observation. What do you? Yes, conclude. Mix a chalk powder in a water. It is a mixed with water. Why? Because chalk powder sizes are very small. That's why it is a mixed with the water. Okay. When you take a candle, that candle particles are yes very somewhat greater size than the water particles. That's why it is not mixed with the particles. And as well as there is a what? Add somewhat oil drops to the beaker of water. That oil drops may not mix with the water. Why? Because that oil particles may greater than the size of the yes our water particles. That's why it is not mixed with the water. Okay, got it or not? This is only about our seventh answer. Dear students, meanwhile in the classes, don't ask any doubts. Okay, after completion of my class, I will give the answer to you. Okay, yes, and don't write any other matters and other chartings. Okay, you listen carefully. Whatever I am given here, whatever the answers I am given here, you write that answers. You write that answers in your textbooks by the help of what? By the help of your study materials. By the help of your study material, once you have to mix here. Yes, sound is clear only now. Once take it out here, 8th question answer. I hope you understood the 7th activity or not. This is only the 7th activity. You simply take a water and you take a chalk powder, yes, on it it is a mixed, and suppose you take a candle, it is a not a mixed. You take oil drops, it is also not mixed with this water. Okay, only the chalk powder is mixed with the water actually. Remaining things are not mixed with the water. Okay, when you take a chalk powder, this is only the powder of chalk. Okay, clear or not? This is only the chalk powder. When I am taken inside it is mixed with the water actually. Okay, the water color is a changes. It is a mixed with the water. Okay, once check it out. When I am taken here chalk powder. Okay, now the water color is a changes into somewhat a white here. Okay, it is a white. Okay, clear or not all the students? And now suppose when I am taking here, oil, yes, this oil actually, when I am taking oil here, once check it out, it is at the top of our, it is floated on the water surface. When you take a candle, it is not a mixture. That is the seventh answer. Yes. Yeah. Now one more thing, that is only eighth answer. Eighth answer. Make a list of items. Make a list of items from your kitchen, like utensils, food, ingredients, etc. Classify them as follows. Okay, you take there is a different things. Okay, now from your kitchens. Somewhat whatever the utensils are there, and as well as the food ingredients that will be take inside of our water may be soluble or not. Ingredients are nothing but you are using the turmeric powder. Okay, now somewhat ingredients are mixed with water, somewhat are not mixed with the water. You know very well. When you take a clove, it is a mixed with the water, it is not mixed with water. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose you take a rice, it is a mixed with the water, it is not mixed with the water. Suppose you take a leaf curries, it is a mixed with the water, it is not mixed with the water. Okay, you take different food ingredients as we are studied in our first lesson. You take that things, and as well as there is a utensils, maybe the mixed or not. Once you write in your as answer of the eighth answer, you have to write ingredients. You take ingredients. Once you check it out that ingredients are mixed with the water or not. If it is a mixed, you write it is a solvable. If it is not mixed, it is write as insoluble. Okay, you have to take here item name. It is a sink or float. Sink or float is nothing but it will be. Suppose you take oil. Oil is an ingredient only. Okay, now that oil is on the surface of water or not? It is not a sink. It is a floated. Okay, you take ilachi, otherwise corundal, like that. So many things are there. Okay, yes. Now that one is only may it is mixed with the water or not. First thing. Otherwise, it is floated on the water or not. Second thing. Okay, now that is only we have to take here. Yes, and now ninth answer. Ninth answer. You take a ninth answer. All the students, once you check your connectivity, yes, my side there is no problem. If it is my side problem, it will be problem for all, not for only one or two students. Okay, it is next concept. Collect the different plastic items from your surroundings. Classify them as transparent, opaque, and transient. Transparent, opaque, and as well as the transient. Different plastic items from your surroundings. May it is getting somewhat are transparent, somewhat are may work as a opaque, somewhat are may works as a transient. Suppose you take this bottle. This bottle is a plastic only, na? This bottle is only plastic, but my face is appear through this bottle or not for you? Yeah, it is may not appear much of clear. Partially it is appear. The word is appear for you now. There is a written, there is a sixth class. It is appear clear now? No, because of this it is somewhat not appear, somewhat appear. That's why it is about partial transparent media. It is a partial transparent media. Okay, clear or not all the students? It is a partial transparent media. Suppose I am taking here, there is another plastic. It is also plastic only now. The cap is also plastic only. But it is not when I am taken on the camera. Okay, in front of camera, there is a what? There is a nothing will be appear to you now. There is a what actually? It is a nothing to appear for you. Okay, yes, why? It is a work as an opaque media. Suppose you take this is the glass. This is the plastic glass only. Yes, this plastic glass. Through the plastic glass, somewhat it is appear for you. Okay, why? Because we added somewhat water to it. No? That's why only it is not appear. Yeah, if you take a without water, it will be appear or not? Somewhat it is appear. Okay, suppose I am taking here, this is what actually, this is also plastic glass only. Here it is appear or not? Appear. That's why it is a transparent media. It is a transparent media. Yeah, students, may it is somewhat network problem is may there it is so many of students are given now. Yeah, whatever may be, once it is a live now, it will be take a lot of data for you. After completion of our class, once you check it out, it will be clear. Because that much of data may not it will be taken. May we have today's problem is there somewhat. My signal is clear only now. Here my side there is no problem. If it is a signal is not clear, on the screen there is it will be like reconnecting, maybe it is different. Okay, please stop your chatting first. Okay, and then after we are go with the line. After line, there is we go with the 10th answer. 10th answer. Tenth answer. Okay, here draw the different objects made up of a wood which we used in our daily life. Okay, draw different objects made up of wood which we use in our daily life. Okay, yes, there is a what actually draw different type of object made up of a wood which we use in our daily life. So many things are there. Yes, our furniture and as well as there is a cart and as well as the chairs. Okay, now yes, so many things may have around you. Your bench, desks. Okay, now our principal's table and as well as there is a yes a cupboards. So many things are there around you which is made by our wood. Okay, once you draw that any of things okay around you. And that is only the 10th answer. Now 11th answer. 11th answer. Make it 5 models you like using clay. Make a 5 models you like using clay. Okay, there is a what? Somewhat you make the models of materials. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose you make already you know very whatever the statue of Vinayak, and as well as there is a what you have to you have to write that answer. You have to write the answer. Myself it is not possible to write on the board. Okay, yes, and here there is a make a 5 models you like using clay pot. Okay, now otherwise book, you know where you have may clay with you. Okay, clay with you. There are synthetic clay is there with you. You complete that the models making. Okay, yes. And 12th one, we know that a ship, every thought it is made up of tons of iron, float on water. How do you feel about the scientists who found the scientific principles and efforts in making a ship? It's a very important question. Okay, now yes, you know very well. The ships are contains what actually a lot of buildings also. Not only it is made by the tons of iron, and as well as it is also contains what actually it is also contains some heavy buildings also there in the ships. Okay, now, but it will be not sink in the water. Why it is not sink in the water? Why it is sink in the water? Why not sink in the water? Why it is? Why? Because our scientists made the things all by which things yes, floated on the water. They maintain there is a somewhat air at the bottom of our ships. Okay, they use the water lighter than the water. Okay, whatever the place it is occupies now, that place whatever occupies, how much amount of water is there on the surface of bottom surface of a ship. Okay, now how much mass it is contains. Okay, now that mass may not equal to our whatever the water contains below it. Okay, they maintain like that. It is not touched with the particular surface. Okay, and as well as it will be yes, very lighter than the water. Whatever the material they are used, it may heavy. But our scientists are made. There is a what by using some machineries, some using by engines. Okay, now they make actually they make it is a lighter than that water surface, which are contain the water. At that time only it is possible to float on the water. Okay, now whatever the engines and whatever the air is pressing that water. Okay, clear or not all the students? How when we are swimming at that time we are also very heavy now. In that mode only our ships are prepared. They give the water actually pressure on the water. Because of that pressure, our ship may float. You know very well at the time of swimming. Okay, now we are pressing the water like this. The water comes up. Clear or not all the students? We press the water. Okay, now otherwise we make like this. We go down in the water. When you want to go down the water, you may like this water. You giving the pressure in the opposite direction. Otherwise, when you press it is like this, you may come up. Okay, now yes, up like that only. We are using our component here. Clear or not all the students? Yes, our scientists are also may use this principle only. They maintain the water actually pressure on the water, and as well as they use the water actually they use light property of density. By using the property of a density, yes, they maintain the low density which is a contact with the surface of water. Because of that, there is our ship may travel with a float mode only. Okay, this is only about our question number 12 answer. Okay, now next one is the 13th answer. 13th answer. We use so many wooden items. We use so many wooden items in our daily life. It is good to use wood. What happens by excess use of it? Okay, by excess use of it, we use so many wooden items in our daily life. It is good to use wood. What happens by excess use of it? Yes, what is the reason? Is there any alternative for this? Okay, clear or not all the students? Once again I am repeating, we use so many wooden items in our daily life. It is good to use wood. What happened by excess of use of it? What is the reason if there is any alternative for it? Yeah, there is a one. Actually, we are our furniture in our home. Okay, it is made by the wood only, and whatever the paper are made, it is also came from where wood only, and as well as whatever the generating for the fire purpose also, we are using the wood only. Okay, it's like that. There is a wood is very useful in our daily life, but regularly we are depending for the targets making for the wood only. Okay, now it is become it is what it is lead to deforestation. It is lead to deforestation. When the deforestation is goes, there is our environment is undergoes the yes, our environment is undergoes the unequilibrium. Yes, the biodiversity may yes not get for us when the deforestation goes, and as well as the pollution may increases. Okay, these are the causes may occur. Okay, that's why only suppose in case of wood we are used the what actually plastic, that is also cause for the pollution. That's why only yes we are what the alternatives are there for the wood. Plastic is one of the best alternative for the wood, and but the plastic is also gives the somewhat bad effects to our environment. That's why only first increase the forestation concept. Second thing is what yes, second time is what? Sorry, second yes thing is what? First you planted the plants, the deforestation. Okay now, yes, and 33% of the forest now to compulsory is there on our earth. There is a not good for us any problem like what pollution. And when we use the more wood, we not get the fresh air for the respiration also for the coming generation purpose. Okay, that's why we avoid the use the wood for not essential. Where it is not essential, don't use that things. Okay, alternatives are made. Plastic is one of the alternative, and recycling the wood is also one of the alternative. Suppose there is a what we are used. May the door is broken. May it is used for as a reuse for the making of a benches. Don't it is taken as a fire purpose. Okay, and as well as there is a nowadays we have the such fuels are there. Okay, now yes, lot of fuels are there. Hydrogen is also work as a fuel, and as well as there is about different whatever the natural gas is also one of the fuel is there. Okay, electricity is also fuel is there, as a fuel is there. Okay, that's why these fuel you are used to for our whatever the replaced fuel for the wood. Okay, when we use this type of a fuel in the place of a wood, may the wood usage may decreases. Because of that, there is a forestation may increases. When the forestation increases, there is the environment is not undergo the pollution. Okay, like that, there is we are going with that. And as well as we are also paper, whatever the paper we are using. Okay, now that the paper is made by which things, Nana? The paper is made by wood pulp only. That's why avoid the use of papers. Okay, yes, where the paper usage is unwanted use, we decrease that unwanted use of paper. Automatically, we are what it is a lead to protect our big trees. Okay, like that only. This is only based on a pollution, based on a biodiversity, based on a product of forest. Yes, you write that answer. This is only our question answers. Sorry students, may today somewhat because of connectivity problem may somewhat you get somewhat problem, but now it is clear. But the so many of students yes are not says it is a correct, it is not in a connection, but it is somewhat student are getting clear. It is not a problem from my side. Now it is a clear only. Already I am given so many time to you 6th class students, especially 6th class students. I am given so many times. You don't write any other relative matter to our classes. This is the last and final warning to you. And when I am hiding, there is not possible to get the class for you. Yes, keep in your mind. Okay now, our maths class at 110. Okay now, but because of today's connectivity problem, I conclude my class here only. Yes, and I hope you complete every question answers after completion of my class. Once you observed in a go live today's class, okay, it will be given for you in a clear and clarity mode only. Yes, bye. Take care. Complete this total lesson. Yes, whatever materials and things are there. Bye. Take care, all the students.